Write the number name of the each of the following numeral in the Indian system. इंडियन सिस्टम में लिखना है। ये रोमन नंबर है, कौन सा है? नंबर सिस्टम एस चांद। अच्छा, नंबर सिस्टम है। रुको, रोमन नंबर किधर है? एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन। हाँ, ये रोमन नंबर है। ठीक है, रोमन न्यूमरल एडिशन। ओके, चलो रोमन नंबर एक एक करके खत्म कर, राइट? सो आई विल डू समथिंग फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ दिस, राइट? 1 2 3 4 एक्सरसाइज दिस इज डन। ओके,
और वो
50
छिपा
52। सॉरी, हाँ। हाउ डू राइट 44? जल्दी बताओ। हाउ टू राइट 44? जल्दी बताओ।
XL
हम्म,
IV।
करेक्ट। चलो, एवरीबॉडी विल से एक एक का एक्सएल आईवी। नेक्स्ट, अद्वैत बता। दोनों तू ही बता भी।
So can Ivana say?
नो वेट, आई गिव यू। अद्वैत बोल नेक्स्ट। 38।
8
हाँ।
XXX
हम्म,
VII।
आई। ओके, इवाना नेक्स्ट। 95।
Uh, XC
हम्म,
XCV।
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, इवाना।
Uh, L LX LX IV
आई एक्स,
X।
राइट? 87 आई से आई बी आई आई। चलो नेक्स्ट, अद्वैत। अरे तो ना, कौन है? वेद।
Yes।
बोल। 92।
XC
हम्म,
II।
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, 66। बोल। हाउ राइट 66? वेद,
Yes।
66 कैसे लिखेगा? यू टू आंसर टू।
LX
एलेक्स।
VI।
वी आई। नेक्स्ट, श्रुआ।
LIV
एल
IC।
आई वी। नेक्स्ट, 85।
IIC
हाँ, आया कैसे आएगा?
CII
सी कहाँ जाएगा? फ्रॉम वेरी वेरी सी। सी इज व्हाट?
100।
100। 100 है क्या उसमें?
Right?
फिर क्यों लिख रही है? 85, राइट?
Yes।
क्रियांश बोल बेटा, 85 कैसे लिखेगा?
85
हम्म,
X, sorry, LXXXV।
वेरी गुड। 89 और 99।
Oh, XC। Oh, और क्या है?
आई एक्स।
IX। हाँ।
चलो नेक्स्ट, क्रियांश तू ही बता।
आएगा 29 आएगा।
29। नेक्स्ट,
45
45। चलो अद्वैत नेक्स्ट। अद्वैत।
8
हम्म
84
हम्म नेक्स्ट,
94
94।
XCI 99।
वेद।
Yes।
नेक्स्ट।
49
नेक्स्ट, वेद।
58 no 78।
78। इवाना।
94.
94. Next.
55.
Shruva.
39.
Next.
44.
हैं? 44 कैसे आएगा? एलेक्स क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एलेक्स? हाँ?
64.
64. राइट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर मीनिंगलेस? कौन सा मीनिंगलेस है? पहले वाला बताओ, फर्स्ट मीनिंग है उसका कोई?
Can Kriyansh go grab a snack?
या
Sir, what can Ivana say?
यस इवाना.
Okay. Which of the following is meaningless? Okay, to first A is meaningless.
मीनिंगलेस करेक्ट. दिस वन.
This is also meaningless.
ओके. नेक्स्ट अपना क्या है नाम इसका? अद्वैत.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट सी क्या है? हाँ, सी वाला क्या है?
तो एक कटोरी चम्मच दे दो और साइड में से एक रबर बैंड भी दे दो। बाजू में ही है डब्बा रबर बैंड का।
क्या है बेटा?
C1.
हाँ,
So what now?
एक मिनट बेटा.
Yes. Okay.
फिर बदलूंगी,
What
टॉल-
is this? Oopsie.
एक सेकंड बेटा.
So, Mom says, Sir, is it allowed to send worksheets on WhatsApp?
नो बेटा.
अरे बाजू में
Sorry, sir.
रुचि बेटा, तो रुचि बता रहा है.
जहाँ चाय पत्ती रखते हैं ना।
Sir, this is my worksheet only.
किसका है?
मेरा.
हाँ, तो ये अलाउड नहीं है ना बेटा. ऊपर भेजना है,
Sorry, sir.
व्हाट्सएप पे क्लासरूम में भेजना है. और फोटो नहीं भेजना है, पीडीएफ भेजना है. क्या भेजना है? व्हाट यू टू सेंड?
Huh?
पीडीएफ भेजना है. यू टू सेंड अ पीडीएफ, नॉट हियर इन द क्लासरूम.
Sir, may we go to washroom?
यस बेटा.
But I was doing the printing version. We couldn't, in Word, we couldn't do. We tried to
Sorry?
make a PDF. It didn't work.
हाँ, इट इज सिंपल. पीडीएफ में ज्यादा दिमाग थोड़ी लगाना होता है. यू टू स्कैन इन पीडीएफ. चलो ठीक है, बताओ. हेलो
Advait.
अद्वैत, बोल बोल.
Advait is not there, sir.
हम्म
Advait is not there.
तो कौन करेगा? इवाना. इवाना ने कर दिया. सुहा.
No meaning, sir.
इट इज ऑल्सो नो मीनिंग, राइट?
Yes.
ये वाला इट इज अ मीनिंग. हाँ, टेल मी फास्ट फास्ट. इट हैज अ मीनिंग और नो? सुहा.
What can Ivana say something?
नो बेटा, यू कांट आंसर.
No, I'm not answering. I need to
Yeah,
tell
tell me.
you something.
Hmm.
So just now Advait joined.
इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू टेल मी व्हाट यू वांटेड टू टेल.
Actually, that was what I wanted to tell,
क्यों? वो तो आ जाएगा ना बेटा, वो खुद बताएगा. व्हाई यू हैव टू वरी?
but I'm just
ही
confused.
विल टेल मी. ओके, चलो इवाना जल्दी फटाफट. नेक्स्ट.
Me?
आई सॉरी, नॉट इवाना. स्पृहा.
It does not. It does make us. No, it does not.
इट इज अ मीनिंग और नो मीनिंग?
No meaning.
हाँ, नो मीनिंग.
No.
ओके. इवाना, इट हैज अ मीनिंग और नो मीनिंग? फोर्थ वन, डी वन.
D.
Hmm.
It literally has no meaning actually.
Why?
X comes first.
And then what? X
So-
is what?
Wait, oh, it's meaningful.
91, right?
Yeah.
This is, I say the meaning.
What
Chalo,
is
फटाफट
the
everybody answer.
middle class?
No meaning, right? It is 99. You cannot write like this. Okay, here it is a meaning.
Mm.
Yes, it is 44, right?
Mm.
It has a meaning
Yes.
54. It has a meaning
Yes.
Yes.
49.
Mhm.
It has a meaning.
No.
We cannot. This is L also cannot repeat, right? Kadam.
No.
Written as Lil, short form for little yogurt.
Okay, चलो next. बेटा टाइम पास मत करो. अद्वैत, focus here. चलो next.
Sir, Advait kept his mic off.
बेटा, who is this? Huh? Ivana,
Hmm?
you are here to attend the class or you are here to watch the what Advait is doing? Huh, Ivana?
No.
Ivana, what are you here for?
Studying and helping the teacher.
No, don't help me. I don't require your help. Okay?
Hmm.
Thank you. Focus
What
here.
am-
What you need to answer, right?
Hmm.
Thank you. Next. What is this? 62 and what is this? This 42, right?
Yes.
So this is greater. Okay, this is 35 and this is what? 28. Again, this is this. This is 34 and 36. This one is greater. This is 29 and this is 31.
This one.
This is 99 and this is 94. This is what? 45 and this is 65, right?
Hmm.
So this you have to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Largest Roman numeral. Smallest Roman numeral.
So, do we have to do the activity time?
Why not, beta? What is their problem? What is the problem in this? Right?
Do we have to do it?
Yes, obviously you have to do everything.
No, the activity.
Yes, you have to do. What is the problem?
Hmm.
Mastic, hai na? But mastic mein you can write like this, right?
Hmm.
So you have to say what is the 5 mastic, what you can do, right? You have to think what you can do with the 5 mastic, right?
Hmm.
It's a good exercise. Chalo. So this one you will be able to do it, right? Back 1 and back 2, I'm not doing it for you, right? Chalo, next. Following is numerable in words. Okay. This you have to write in a book. I'm not writing here. Write the following number in figures, right? This you can write also. This you can write here. Chalo. Tell me. 862. 862. Fatafat. Okay. Those who have this thing, they can write. So I'm solving this one each exercise. So you don't have any problem later on, right? And this is what I'm going to give. So I'm going to exercise each one of these two exercises. There is 5,000.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
The first one is 8,602.
वेरी गुड. तो फिर वेरी गुड. मतलब एक बच्चे का खाली ध्यान है और किसी का नहीं है, राइट? चलो नेक्स्ट. अद्वैत नेक्स्ट.
470.
व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट?
Sir, which page are you doing?
विच पेज यू कैन सी बेटा?
सर आप रिवीजन फर्स्ट चैप्टर का रिवीजन वाला करा रहे हैं?
यस, रिवीजन का फर्स्ट
ये
चैप्टर.
वाला.
अच्छा, सॉरी, दैट वे. ओके ओके. हाँ, रोमन नंबर तो मैंने चेंज किया, राइट? सॉरी. बोल अद्वैत.
4070.
है? अच्छा, 4070. करेक्ट. ओके. ऐसे 4007. नेक्स्ट.
9009.
टेल मी व्हाट विल बी.
9009.
चलो नेक्स्ट. प्रियांश.
Yes, sir.
बोल.
T014.
3014.
14.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Sir, can Advait go to drink water?
बेटा सब कुछ वाटर वाटर सबके लेके आ. 2-2 मिनट में मत जा यहाँ से, समझा?
8. Okay. 8. 8 8 0
क्या बोल रहा है? 888 क्या बोल रहा है? कितना 8 लिखूं?
8 8 8 0 8 8 0
हाँ करेक्ट, तो एक साथ बोलना। चलो नेक्स्ट, इवाना, क्विक।
1002.
नेक्स्ट,
77030.
है 7030।
हाँ, 7030.
30 है।
हाँ, 30. Oh,
30।
1.
हाँ तो
31.
then I'm asking 3 times and you are not focusing here. Shruha,
3 3 0
3
3 0
3 के बाद क्या? 30 क्या लिखूं? फुल नंबर टेल मी।
3 3 0 0 3 0 3 0
हाँ करेक्ट, दिस इज हाउ यू टू स्पीक। नेक्स्ट,
6 0 6 6 6 6 6 0 6
नेक्स्ट कौन बच गया? इवाना, इवाना ने बताया।
Yes, sir.
वेद, वेद
5 0 1 0
50।
1 0
नेक्स्ट,
9 5 0 0
9500। ओके चलो, दिस इज डन। राइट ये नंबर टेबल इन द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म। एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म आएगा तुमको लिखने के लिए। डू आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन यू?
No.
8, I'm just writing 8000 because expanded form I give you the worksheet, right? 600 plus 20 plus 9, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm just writing 4 here. 3 sums I'll solve here. Baki ka you could do 9000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 0. If you don't write 0 also, which is okay, 5000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 9. Okay, next you can do it.
तो
हाँ,
जब अभी आपने कुछ बोला तो क्या बोला? आपका वॉइस लैग हुआ।
कौन सा वाला बेटा? I'm saying I am doing. I have already given a expanded form का worksheet.
0 नहीं लिखा तो क्या बोले थे उसके बाद?
If you don't write 0, it is okay.
Okay.
Or you don't write 0 is anywhere. You have to write only 0. Don't write to 0 0 0 0 0. Right? Next here. See here. I am writing again. It is 6000. Now it is 0. So you write 0 plus 50 plus 4. Here don't have to 0 0 0 because it is at 100 place. Right? Here 7000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 0. Right? So it is 4000. See how quickly you can do it here. तुम लोग को इसका टाइम क्यों नहीं ले? Why you are saying कि you don't have time or something like that, right? चलो, count the first. Okay, counting the 5. Write the numerals from this to this, right?
नंतर कॉल करतो.
So what do you write? 3037, right? You have to write this number also. Then 3042, 3047. Come on, fast. I don't have to tell. You have to tell me. Hello.
30 3052
Next. Come on, fast.
3057
Next.
3062
Next.
3067
Next.
3062
Eh?
3073
7-2. Where it is coming
7
2 and 7. How can it is? Counting the 15. Write the numbers from this. Now 15 you have to count, right? So 9023. Then 15 you have to add. How will you add 15? 10 add karo. then 5 add करो और 5 add करो 10 add करो. So it is what? 9038, correct?
Yes.
Then 90, when you add 5, 43, and then 10, 53, correct?
Yes.
Then 9068, right? 10, 38, and then 90, what? 83. फटाफट बोलो बेटा.
9
It is 9098,
98.
9113. हो गया? Counting 50s. Right, this is easy. Right, this should be very easy, right? 2010. Then
2016.
हाँ,
2060.
क्या बोल रहा है बेटा?
2060.
50 you have to write बेटा, not 5. Then
20. No. 2110.
correct.
तो उन्होंने बोला counting 15. Write the numerals in reverse order.
हाँ, very good. कौन है ये?
Kriyansh.
Very nice बेटा. वो अकेला ही के पढ़ रहा है. Very nice.
1960 आएगा ना?
Then
उसके बाद
it is 50 ना? It will come at 10, 60, 10, 60, 10, 60, something like this it will come, right?
Yes.
Let's see everywhere because of 50, 50 here we have 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8 here also. Because 5, it will come like this, 5, 50, all this, right? Then you have 1, 9, then you have 1, 8, then you have 1, 8, then you have 1, 7.
17, 16.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now what is this? 63, this. Very good. So what do you do? Add what? What is the logic? What do you have to do? Sequences. Look at the pattern. Tell me what is the sequence?
7.
What 7?
Plus 7.
7 what but?
Plus 7. Plus 7.
Add 7, right?
7.
So it is 44. Next.
51. 51. 58. 51, 58,
Right.
65.
Very good.
65? 65, sir.
Look, you have to write add. You have to write the logic also. Add 7.
7.
Next. What are you adding?
15.
1, 5. Very good. Chalo, answer बताओ.
225.
I can hear only. I can hear you, Advait. I can hear only Kriyansh. वेद क्या कर रहा है बेटा?
सर मैं बोल
स्पृहा
200.
चलो इवाना बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Ivana, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The
225. Adding 15, right?
adding 15, right?
Arey, tell me what next?
200 and 30, wait, 240.
Beta, how much time you are taking for such a small number to be added, right? Next.
255.
Next, 5, 60, and then 70.
260.
270.
270.
Add 15.
Add 15.
Right? Next. Spruha,
Yes, sir.
what is logic? Spruha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So next, what is logic? 1050, 1100, 1150. What is the logic?
Add by 50.
Add 50. So it is what? 12, 5, 0. Then
इसे पानी में भिगा के थोड़ा सा धो के रखे हुए।
मतलब फटाफट बोलो.
1035,
You can't take so much of
1400.
time, right? You
Add
take so
50.
much of time for this.
बाकी
Next,
तो उसके अंदर
Ved,
Add 40.
add 40 तो क्या होएगा?
210, 9210.
बेटा 9210. सिंपल से बोलो, right?
9250,
हम्म
9290,
हम्म
9340.
है 40 कैसे आएगा?
ये दो
हाँ 9330.
हम्म क्या रहा है? Add
Add 40.
40. वेरी गुड. चलो नेक्स्ट.
और इधर कुछ नहीं
नेक्स्ट कौन है?
तो क्रियांश.
हाँ क्रियांश. क्रियांश ने तो आंसर दिया ना. वेद ने दिया, क्रियांश ने दिया.
मैंने नहीं दिया
नहीं दिया. चलो बोलो. इसका क्या है? ऐड
अपनी जल्दी ले लो साइड वाला
सर. -20 है.
-20. करेक्ट. बोल.
835, 810.
8 है -20 करना है ना.
हाँ
तो 810 कैसे आएगा?
नहीं
9.
सॉरी 815, 815,
हाँ
815 उसके बाद
815. 815 नहीं बोल सकते बेटा. यू टू से 815.
815, 795,
5.
अभी तो 775 बस. सब्ट्रैक्ट.
Subtract 15. 20. Right.
यस सर.
चलो ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट. कंपेयर द नंबर्स. ओके फटाफट क्विक. वेद बता बेटा.
यस. स्मॉलर देन.
ए
अच्छा मैं कंफ्यूज होता हूँ इसमें.
वेरी. इसीलिए तेरे को पूछा. राइट.
ग्रेटर देन.
वेरी गुड. ग्रेटर देन. दिस इज
स्मॉलर देन.
अद्वैत.
या
नेक्स्ट वन.
स्मॉलर देन.
नेक्स्ट.
ग्रेटर देन.
ग्रेटर देन है.
ग्रेट.
ओके श्रुआ.
इरेजर.
हाँ सॉरी.
Smaller than.
नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट श्रुआ. क्विक.
Smaller than.
स्मॉलर देन कैसे है? 999.
Greater than.
Okay. Arrange the order. You can arrange it here. I am not doing it, right? Because greater than smaller than you have. Do you want me to do one of them? Or you do it yourself?
Do on yourself.
Chalo. I'll tell you trick how to do fast, right? I'll tell you how can you do very quickly. Correct? So let's see. First you need to do, now you need to do in ascending order. So all are 4-digit numbers.
यस.
So take what is first 6, right? First is 6.
इसको निकालो. निकालो ना उसको.
क्या हो गया बेटा? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ठीक है 6. So you have two numbers 6, 8 and 6, 9. So what you can do, you can copy this number and write down. Clear?
यस.
ठीक है. Please make sure that you copy the number properly. 6, 8, 9, 7. Then you have 6, 9, 6, 9, 7, 8. Okay. After that you have to go for 7. 7 के लिए कितना नंबर है? Again you have two numbers.
यस.
7, 9 and 7, 8. So 7, 8
7, 8,
and 6.
9, 6.
And then 7, 9, 6, 8.
7, 9, 6, 8.
Okay. Then you are ending with 8. Only one number. 8, 9, 6, 7.
8, 9, 6, 7,
And 9, 6,
8, 7.
8, 7. Correct?
Yes.
Descending order. Go reverse way. Right? Okay. Check what is that. All are 3 and 4s. So take 4
Yeah.
first. Because it is in a descending order. Right? So 4, 0, 4, 0, 4, 3. So it is 4, 3, 0, 3. First number is this. Right?
Yes.
Then after this 4, 0, 4, 0. Next number will be what? 4033. Then 4003. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then take 3. It is 3400. Then 3043. And then 3004. Correct?
Yes.
So let's see. You can create, right? Write the smallest 4-digit number using the digit only once. Very good. So what is the answer here?
1568.
Very good. कौन बोल रहा है ये?
Ved.
Wait, very good. Kriyansh, next.
20
Hmm.
57.
Very good. चलो. Spruha. Spruha.
Yes, sir.
Beta, why I have to call your name twice? Huh? चलो, next. Ivana, why your video is off?
Sir, it was not off. Sometimes it gets off like that.
No, it does not get off. It is a system, right? It does not get off like that.
It's off sometimes in my class, other classes
I
also.
say, okay, chalo. No. Ivana, sorry. Spruha.
2379.
What is that? What is given? Did you read the heading on the top?
9723.
Did you read the heading, what I said?
So,
What heading says?
read the greatest 4-digit number.
Huh?
Read the greatest 4-digit number using
Correct. And what did you do?
smallest digit.
What did you make first?
So your voice is breaking. And I can't see the screen properly.
1 minute, 1 minute. Hold on. 1 minute.
What's this? तो आपका कैमरा फ्रीज हो गया.
1 सेकंड बेटा. 1 सेकंड है बेटा. Just give me a minute. लो क्रियांश.
कंप्लीट हो गई क्लास?
नहीं है इस क्लास. कौन बोल रहा है कंप्लीट होगी?
मेरी मम्मा.
किसकी मम्मा?
प्रियांश की मम्मा.
क्रियांश की मम्मा. ठीक है. ये देखो मेरे यहाँ पे क्रियांश तेरा वर्कशीट में ओपन कर रहा था. यहाँ पे आई जस्ट वर्किंग ओपन, राइट? तो यहाँ पे कुछ तो उसका फॉर्मूला का इश्यू आ गया था आई थिंक. नहीं मेरा तेरा यहाँ पे तूने कौन से उसमें ये खोला? आई डोंट नो बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू दिस. ओके, आई जस्ट शो यू हियर.
मम्मा यहाँ पे आओ.
कैन यू सी? तूने नाम क्यों नहीं डाला यहाँ पे? हाँ क्रियांश,
सर नाम तो किसी ने भी नहीं डाला.
बेटा डालना चाहिए, नहीं तो वापस करूंगा पूरा. ठीक है ना? मेरे को कैसे मालूम कौन कर रहा है ये? कब किया? डेट? When did you do it?
15 days तो हो
ये
गए.
ऊपर मैंने क्यों दिया है बेटा? Why did I give on the top? ये क्यों दिया? टाइम पास के लिए दिया मैंने. हाँ बेटा क्रियांश,
हाँ.
did I give you for the time pass कि ये करो करके?
नहीं.
हाँ तो फिर सैटरडे को what was the date? Saturday you did it. I think Saturday you sent me. What was the date on Saturday?
सैटरडे किया था ना.
5th.
नहीं बेटा 2 हफ्ते हो गए. 2 हफ्ते से ज्यादा.
नहीं मेरे को तो अपने सैटरडे को भेजा मैम. ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट सी whenever you do it, okay, you have to write the date, time and everything, right? How much time you have taken? Correct?
Taken, he doesn't does it in parts. So he
नहीं
does-
पार्ट्स में करो तो भी फिर still you have to have a time.
Okay.
Still you have to have a time. 1 minute. Hmm.
और
Okay. Now see, I'm sending you this, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, sir, what he has done not correct? Can you
I
tell
don't
me
know, ma'am. I don't know. 1 minute. Just give me a minute.
so that we can know and I can explain it to him? I thought everything was correct only because we had to redo the whole worksheet. We didn't see
No,
that.
you don't have to do it. It is all okay ना. I have already opened this, right?
Okay.
So you don't. अरे यार, मैंने बंद कर दिया. 1 second रुको. Let me reopen it. 1 minute. You don't have to redo it. Why you have to redo it?
No. Previously we did it wrong. Then he saw that मम्मा ये round up है, round down है. तो
हाँ
ठीक
वो ठीक है बट यहाँ पे अभी तो मैंने what I did is I just 1 minute let me show you. I just checked the formula, that's it. I did nothing.
है. Okay.
ठीक है, सब फॉर्मूला ठीक आ गया और एवरीवेयर यू गॉट अ स्माइली. 1 minute किधर गया? Where is the
अच्छा,
explain?
so then our concepts are correct. That
हाँ
actually
हाँ
my
yes yes
main point is whether a concept are correct, whether correct or not
yeah
an
yeah
issue.
it is
The
correct.
concepts are correct. That is the main thing.
Correct, yeah it is all same. See I opened your sheet only. That is
Okay.
where I written ना, why you not written Kians.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है, so now then save as export. चलो I am sending you this so you can upload this, right? कंसेप्ट क्लियर है मैम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एवरीथिंग आई जस्ट चेक द फॉर्मूला.
Okay.
सम मिस्टेक आई डोंट नो वेयर ऑन व्हाट एप्लीकेशन ही हैज ओपन दैट आई डोंट नो.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस. Next time Kriyansh you have to write date also, you have to write the name also and you have to measure the time also, how much time you are taking. Okay, क्लियर है?
यस सर.
ठीक है चलो. चलो लेट मी ओपन अनदर वन. Oh, yeah, okay. So 9732, right?
यस.
Ivana?
8640.
Okay. So add. You can do addition or do I have to teach you?
We can all do addition.
Very good. Chalo.
हाँ सर.
First answer, everybody do one by one. Now here, what you can say, you know what is addition? This is a property, right? What is
यस.
addition property? It is associative. It is a commutative property. So when you change the order, the sum, the answer will
Remains
not
the
change,
same.
right? So it is, what you can do the addition and you can write it later on. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे क्या है? 9067, right?
7.
Same thing.
Yes.
9067. This either you took for first number or second number does not matter. Here also 1088 and you can do 707605, right? It is called as commutative property. ऊपर वाला commutative, नीचे वाला associative property. 7605, correct? Will it
Yes.
make any difference if I change the any number addition with any number? Does not matter, right?
Yes.
Here, what is this? This is called as identity. What should add to 4784 to get 4784?
0.
Correct. Understood?
Yes.
This is called as additive identity. So when you add 0 to any number or any number is added to 0, you get the same answer, right? Now there are some word problems. Okay, subtract. You can do it. Suppose you want to do a subtraction, I'll do one of them for you, right? So you know how you can do it here. Okay, 9605403. Now it is written. What is written? Subtract 96986. So what do you need to subtract? 986, right? Okay, so what do you need to do? Can you tell me? You have to type from the right, but I am trying from the left. Okay, I am solving this from the left. 4, then you have 3, then you have 1 and you have 7. Is it correct answer? Check करो.
नहीं, कोई दूसरे बाथरूम से ले जाओ,
Is it correct answer?
जैसे मतलब बाथरूम में से,
Yes.
ये वाले बाथरूम में है शायद.
Is it a correct answer? Why are you not answering?
Yes.
Is it correct answer or wrong?
Yes.
Check करो, अपना अपना solve करो. जल्दी बोलो.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Very good. So solve another one. चलो. I'm writing only the questions. Solution you give me. Okay. I am not going to give the solution. Very good. चलो one by one. Quick.
ब्लड आ रहा है.
हाँ,
फटाफट चालू करो. Okay. Start solving quickly.
ब्लड.
नहीं आ रहा.
And this all you have to put it in the classroom. Huh?
आओ. कहाँ है सर? कहाँ है
And you have to monitor the time. Hello, क्या हो गया? कौन बोल रहा है?
देखो ना 28 है, ये रहा 28, यहाँ पे कहीं पे.
चलो फटाफट चलो. गिव मी द आंसर. फटाफट चलो.
ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है.
कौन बोल रहा है बेटा इतना जोर से? किसकी मम्मी बोल रही है?
प्रियांश.
मैम आप अनम्यूट हो. उसको छोड़ दो उसके इधर पे. ही विल डू इट. ही इज स्मार्ट बॉय.
ओके.
डोंट इंस्ट्रक्ट हिम. क्या प्रियांश बोल.
क्या?
फर्स्ट वाला आंसर बता.
सर जो आपने लिखा है वही ना?
हाँ 7600 वाला.
Sir, can Ivana say the second?
नहीं you बेटा solve it. Have you solved all four? Have you solved all four, Ivana?
I'm
Have you solved all four? Yes or no?
not yet.
सर 3
Finish all of them. Yes. प्रियांश बोल जल्दी.
3 9 2
हैं?
sorry 1.
3 line 1 6. Okay. चलो next. Advait.
Yeah.
Come on next.
1. Can I solve it from the right?
बेटा तेरे को जो करने का बता. मेरे को आंसर तू तेरा सॉल्व कर. मेरे को बता लेफ्ट से. Have you solved this or no?
Okay.
सॉल्व किया कि नहीं किया है?
Not done.
फिर चल जल्दी सॉल्व कर. ओके वेद हो गया ये.
Yes.
बोलो.
2905.
करेक्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट. Sruha. Ivana, it is done for you.
Which one?
Last one.
Last one not done. I'm sorry.
Then why are you so in hurry? So much of hurry. I told you to finish all of them, right?
I'm doing them only.
It will not do. The speed is very slow. Very slow.
So I didn't know when you were asking to start.
Okay. 0 and 8. Is it clear? Correct answer है? Ved?
हाँ सर करेक्ट है.
Very good. Chalo. In the election, there are two. Okay, there's a word problem. You do what must be added to get this, right? So how do you do it? So what 3, 6? I'm telling you how to make an equation, right? It is some kind of algebra I'm putting, right? What is W, right? Is equal to what should be added to 3, 6, 8, 9 to get 5, 0, 1, 1, correct? So what do you do? W is equal to 5, 0, 1, 1 minus 3, 6, 8, 9. Correct? So what do you get? What is the answer? 3,700 and this is 5,100. So what do you get? 1,322. See, this is how I did. What I did, I have 11 here. I have 3,700, 11 here. I rounded off first. 1,500, 3,700, right? So this is 1,400.
सर मैं वेद go to washroom.
Yes, beta. 1,400 and then you get this, right? Okay. In election, there are two candidates. The winning candidate pulls 300 and won by margin. How many did the defendant candidate get? This is, so what do you get? 86215, which is a vote given by the candidate poll, right? Winning candidate poll this thing, and what is 16? Because the defendant will be getting a less marks, right? A less polls. So how much you'll get? What I do? Again, round it off. 6,200 and this is 1,700, right? So what do you get?
सुखा है ना वो
45. More 5, right? Plus you have 41 here and
4
huh?
5 4
हाँ 5 4 कैसे आएगा?
4 5 5 4
अच्छा, oh you are adding that. Okay, so your 41 नहीं आएगा बेटा. 41, 51 and 56. This is answer.
4 5 5 6
5 6, correct.
अच्छा सॉरी 4 5 5
See, mentally also you should know how to do it, right? Chalo. This is done. What must be subtracted from this to get this, right? So you should say 7023 minus W is equal to 4867, right? So what you should do? W is equal to 7023 minus 4867. So again, I will round you off 7,000 minus 8,900, right? Sorry, 4,900. So which is 21? Yes?
yes
23. And how much you got here? 23 and 23, both, right? No, 33. 23 and 33. What is 23 and 33? 56. Clear? Are you
yes
understanding how I'm doing it?
yes sir
Anybody? Hello?
sir Advait
समझ में आ रहा है?
yes
ठीक है, very good. So this is how you can do mentally without using the pen and pencil. The sum of two numbers is one of these number is this. Find the other number. So what do you do? Subtraction.
सारे जो
Okay.
ये
So 6103 minus
फिर हम समेट के
2985, right?
ये वाले कलर के
So what is the answer? 6,100 minus 3,000, right? So it is 3,100, correct? And then you got 15 here. No, yeah. This is I've did 15 minus. So 3,000 and 15 3. It is 12. So 088. Clear? Check karo answer. Are you getting the same answer? Are you getting the same answer? और wrong है. एक wrong है digit. Correct?
yes
Still it is wrong. Yes, क्या? Got it? 9 minus 1, 1. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. And then 3 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Chalo. Clear है? Or you can take simply 36,000 minus 3,000 you can do directly, right? And then you do add 15 and then add 118. So I'll just write here for the trick, right? 6,000 minus 3,000 plus 103 plus 15, right? Is equal to 3,118. So I showed you a trick. How can you do it rounding one, right? How you can do rounding. Chalo. Okay. The difference of two numbers is this. The smaller number is this. Chalo. What you can do? Difference between two number is this. 5, 6, 8, 9 is the difference. And the smaller number is this. So what is the bigger number will be? Addition or subtraction? What I should do?
addition
So this is bigger number plus 1 9. The difference is this, right? Minus 1796, correct? Is equal to 5 6. What is it? 5 6 8 9. Correct? So when you take this, the bigger number will be 5 6 8 9 plus 1796. So how will you do it? Hmm? How will you add? Any idea? Round it off. Will you do round it off or no? 5,600 plus 1,800, right? But both the cases, what you did, you added 11 here and added 14 here. So what do you get? 7,375. Correct? Check करो.
Yes.
Correct answer है? Correct answer है कि नहीं? अरे करेक्ट आंसर है कि मैं गलती कर रहा हूं, तुम लोग कोई पकड़ नहीं रहे हो मेरे को.
Sir, I think it is wrong.
What is wrong?
The answer.
आंसर है, बट आंसर में कौन सा डिजिट रॉन्ग है वो बताना पड़ेगा, राइट? यू टेल मी विच डिजिट इज रॉन्ग.
Think that
We can simplify it. Chalo, this is easy one. Okay. Now here, what you need to do? चलो, I'll teach you something. चलो, इसमें तुम्हारा जितना डाउट है ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम पे लेकर आना. रिवीजन में तुमको डाउट आएगा पक्का. नेक्स्ट टाइम पे whatever doubts you have, revision. Okay, we have done almost. This is done. Next class में I'll check what is there. Okay. Leave this activity right now. I'm now giving this activity time. नीचे ले लो because वो तुम्हारा ज़्यादा टाइम जाएगा, right? Finish this and this too. I'll check next time whatever you've done, right? This
Yes.
also you will have to have multiplication, addition, subtraction. You will have doubt. I want you to leave 28, 29, 30, 31. All these you solve next time, but it has to be solved. There is no excuse for this, right? Sir, मेरा एग्जाम था, मेरा ये था, I don't care. Clear? Yes, अद्वैत समझ में आया?
Yes.
Arrange the following numerals in the Indian place value chart and then rewrite them into comma at the right place, right? अभी तुमको सिर्फ कॉमा लगाना है. मेरे को इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से मेरे को सिर्फ ये चार्ट पैटर्न लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, मतलब यू कैन राइट बिकॉज प्लेस वैल्यू यू नो. आई डोंट वांट यू टू राइट. जस्ट से कॉमा. इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से क्या है? 5,020. क्लियर?
Yes. Yes.
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? क्या आएगा? 23,
23,617.
फटाफट बोलो बेटा, इतना टाइम थोड़ी लेता है अपने को, राइट? क्विक.
Sir, can Ivana say the next question?
नेक्स्ट फटाफट बोलो, इसमें कुछ रॉकेट.
Comma 003.
फटाफट.
31,
31, 16, comma
गलत जवाब.
597.
3,16,
गलत जवाब. It is
599.
not 31 comma. It is only 3 comma. It is 6 digit number, right?
Yes.
ध्यान दो कितना डिजिट का नंबर है. Here again 6 digit, right?
Yes.
2,
2,00,105.
105.
Again 6 digit number.
6, 1,
6, comma
0,
6, comma
अच्छा you have to see ना, अगर ये लिखा है तो पूरा नंबर कॉपी कर लो, फिर 3.
6, comma.
Okay, understood?
Yes.
चलो next. Copy the whole number first. 200.
3500,
तो 5 के
comma
comma between
करेक्ट. चलो next.
1, 5,
मैंने तुमको क्या टेक्निक बताई? टेक्निक.
0, 3, 4,
एक मिनट. व्हाट टेक्निक आई डिड टीच यू?
easy
क्या टेक्निक बताई तुम लोगों को?
copy the number first
करेक्ट. कॉपी द नंबर फर्स्ट, राइट? 1
and then insert the commas.
because instead of the number you have to insert a comma from the right hand side, right?
Yes.
So that is why copy the number. Correct. Write the number in the word system that you can write, right? This you know. Indian system. This you write in a book, right? And you have to submit this. Make sure that every assignment is different assignment, right?
Yes.
Different assignment of everyone in the classroom. हाँ. Revision 1, revision Roman number 2, 3 and 4. Everybody has to submit this assignment, right?
Yes.
Clear? Unless you finish all this, I'm not going to take anything new. Clear? I want everybody to submit, and those who are not able to submit before the next class, whatever you can do it. Okay, you can do it 2 chapters, 3 chapters. It is okay, right? But go in order, right? Both are to be divided by 14th of July, and this is 20th of July, right? So you still have time. Today we are on 10th. You still have 4 days. Clear? Okay. Quick. Chalo. Next. Express the following written number in the Indian system, placing the commas at the right place. Chalo. Which is the number?
15,682.
15,000.
15,682.
Beta, you have to put the comma also, right?
Yes.
You have to put the comma also, right? So you have to tell me with the comma. Next.
25,
4, 5,
comma 009.
Next.
660, comma
Hmm. Bolo?
60, comma 5059.
Okay, now boys will not speak. Okay, Ivana, Spruha,
Okay.
what? Why are you not
19.
answering?
I was about
Everybody
to
is answering,
answer
right?
this.
Why are you not answering? Ivana,
I'm
Spruha,
19.
1 minute. Spruha,
Spruha.
she slept.
Slept?
Spruha,
Yes.
Spruha, सो गई? हाँ? क्या हो गया? Spruha, I called your name 5 times. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the red color? What is that?
It is board.
Huh?
I can't see the board right now.
Forget about board. What was the red color curtain? What you are putting? What was that?
My curtain.
Huh? Sit straight. Go and sit on the chair. Sit on the. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up from the place and sit on
There's
the
no
chair.
chair, sir.
Sit on the chair. Show me the chair.
There's no chair over here.
So what? Why you're lying down? Huh? Sure. Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Can I say, sir?
D1.
D19,
Hmm.
comma 2001.
फटाफट बोलो. फटाफट बोलो. बहुत टाइम नहीं है. जल्दी बोलो. Next.
2, comma 56, comma 2, 1, 1, 4.
बहुत टाइम बेटा. You are taking too long time.
Sorry, sir.
Very good. चलो next time. Okay. Advait.
Yeah.
जल्दी. Last one. जल्दी बोल.
3, comma
Hmm.
03,
Hmm.
comma
Hmm.
015.
Okay. चलो. Rest of the things you can do it, right? Rest of the
Yes.
numbers you can write. Write the number figures as well as what, right? So what I'm writing in a number, you can write in a words, right? ठीक है. चलो फटाफट बताओ. Smallest 5-digit number.
10,000.
Very good. Hmm. Next, largest 5-digit number.
99,999.
Very good. चलो. Boys, wait. Shruha, next.
1 lakh. 99 lakh.
Eh,
Hey.
9,99,999.
So can Ivana say the next one?
Yeah, you wanna tell me?
10 lakh. 10 lakh.
Next.
99 lakh 99,999. Easy.
Chalo. Next. Okay. Rewrite the following numerals with the proper commas using international system, right? Chalo, who will tell me? Chalo, fadafat. Okay, Advait. What did
364
364
comma
619? पहले क्या करो? First, what you should do?
Write the number.
Write the number, right? See, I'll just copy the numbers first for everything, right? So you did 509067. Then 1679102. I'm just copy the numbers, right? 405 6098. I'm just showing you how you can quickly do it. 5100309. You have 12317 right? So now start doing it from here. What you do? Go right hand side 1 2 3 and put the comma, right? Because it is international system, you have 3 number, right? Here also 1 2 3, keep the comma. Here 1 2 3,
give the comma.
keep the comma.
1 2 3 give the comma
Here also keep the comma here.
and
Keep the
put the
comma
comma
here.
between 4 and 0.
Here comma comma. Here comma.
And sir, you should put the comma between
Yes.
and a comma between.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Clear?
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
So if you get little up, so you'll not get disturbed, right? If you keep little up, you'll get a clear vision, right? Chalo. Write the number names of the following international system. So you can write using the international system place value chart. Write the numeral each of the following and placing the commas right place. Karo, chalo, fadafat. Tell me. 205,000.
Sir, it's 305,000.
So 300.
5,672.
305,000, comma
670.
682.
682. Correct?
First is R1, then R3, and then Saran.
Next.
500,000, comma,
Then loaded in 5 million.
099.
Next.
1
1
million,
million, comma
1 million, comma,
164, comma 2,000.
200,
1 million.
comma, 164, comma, 200.
Chalo. Rest 3 you can do it, right? Face value and place value we can do easily, right?
Yes.
Okay. You can write the place value and face value for this. Okay. I am not writing this again, right?
Yes.
You can solve this, right? They are easy ones. Okay. The smallest city formed by using the digit 1, 3. Repeating 3 twice is 123, 133, right? So they are giving the what is exactly you can create, right? Now give the appropriate less than greater than, you can do it, right?
1st of July.
अभी हमने किया ना? Arranging also we have done, right?
Yes.
So you can solve this, right?
First you run for me.
Next time pe I'm going to ask you, alright? Chalo, 1, 2, I'll do it here.
Let us take the data.
Chalo, this is the arranging. You can do write small digit. You can do this. Very good. Things to remember. Ho gaya. Correct? Then you have Back 1 and back 2. Okay, next time I want chapter 1, chapter 2 be to be done, and chapter 3, whatever you can do it, right? If you can finish
Yes.
all of them, I am happy. Okay. Addition. You know addition subtraction, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
मैंने सॉल्व तो किया था इसमें कहाँ गया? I solved some of them. अच्छा 3 में किया था क्या? चलो no problem. But I solved some of them. I don't know why it is not showing here. चलो anyway choose. So this is without
Carry.
carryover, right? This is without carryover. Addition without carryover. Clear? So just write this. You have a bigger number, but it is without carryover, so you don't have to worry. Okay. You can go left to right.
7, 6, 7, 9.
Okay.
7,
9.
9.
Next.
6,
6, 9,
9.
एक मिनट 6,
6, 9,
9,
7,
7,
6, 9, 7, 6,
8,
7, 8, 6,
6, 9.
9, 7, 8, 6, 9.
So you can do even faster than what I'm typing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is one more. 8,
8, 7, 8, 6, 9, 8.
6, 9, 8.
clear?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo, so this you do it. Okay. You can write in a PDF only. You don't have to do anything, right? Arrange the following column in their column, write their sum, right? So again, you have to add this, you have to do vertical one, and then you add them, right? This is
Yes.
another exercise. So you can separately, you have to write, do it in a book. This you have to do in a book, right? Because you don't have a place here, right? Do it in a book. Solve in the book. And then you have to write, see here, you have to write the exercise number, exercise 6, and then write question number 9, 10, 11, 12. Clearly mention. I don't have to search and place in order. Exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4, place in order properly, right? Write a big number. If you want to highlight, use the highlighter to highlight that. Exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 5, right? This is the carryover and borrowing. You know how to do it, right?
Yes.
Now, this is where you have to
Yes.
understand. What is it? 8 plus 5 plus this thing. What is the answer? You got 9.
9.
Yeah, 9.
You get one carryover here, right?
Yes.
It is 19, right? So what do you have? 2, 3, 4, 6. What do you get here?
2.
2. Very good. Okay. Next.
And plus
Now you have carryover 1? No, right? It is only 8. No
No.
carryover. So 10 plus 5, 15. One carryover here, right?
Yes.
1 carryover.
And what is the answer? 7, 8, 14. Sorry,
13.
12 and 1. 13, right?
1.
Clear?
Yes.
So you got the solution here. उसने यहाँ पे पूरा solution करके दिखाया है. We have already solved this, right? So again, you know, this is carryover. Sorry, it is with the
Yes.
borrowing. Sorry, with the carryover. So you need to do from the right to left, correct? So do always
2.
you should, whether it is carryover or without carryover, you have to do from the right to left. Okay. 1, I am not taking carryover ऊपर.
1.
1. Hmm.
1.
Again.
1.
Hmm. Then
1 again.
1 again. And
Then again 1.
कितना 1 करेगा बेटा? 1, 1, 1, 3 तो हो गया.
जहाँ 3 हो गया.
Okay, then you put this here because you will be doing much faster. कि तुम लोग को ये सब arrange करना नहीं पड़ेगा. You can directly write the pen, right? Hand. You don't have to arrange all this. What I'm doing, right?
Yes.
Yes, so it will be faster for you. Clear? So will you do it?
Yes.
Next time say I'll also write. You tell me the number. I'll write in the directly answers, right? You finish this.
Yes.
This is also to be done in the book, right?
Book.
Yes.
In the book.
Book.
Chalo, this find the sum again in the book. Okay, this again you have to solve the property of addition. Carry over, same thing, same way. It is the missing numbers, right? This is we have done the property. This also x is 8. Done. So you've done all 4 word problems. Whatever you could do it. I'm going to do it next class also. I'm going to take this 4 only, right? Everything has to be finished.
Yes.
Clear? Whatever doubts you have, you let me know. We'll do it, right? Next class also, we'll continue with the same chapters, right? But everything has to be finished, right?
Yes.
Next time also going to finish. Okay, part 2. So make sure that you keep on doing, and whatever doubts you have, whenever you take time or you doing wrong, let me know. Next time I'm going to take this pura checking, right? And
Yes.
I'll open and I want everybody to upload it. Huh? It is not that I'll keep it like this and I'll just say, okay. I want everybody to be uploading it, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. After that only I'll go to new chapter. Otherwise I will not go. Clear? And next
Yes.
class I'll have to finish this. There is no delay, right? After that I'll go to chapter 5, 6, 7, 8 or further, right? Because it's a
Yes.
base concept, it has to be very clear. Correct? Clear?
Yes.
Done.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Shruha, next time wash
Bye,
your
sir.
face and
Thank
sit
you,
for the
sir.
class. Okay? Bye.